My people, big up on yourself once again. Yes, man. Right now, we don't know where they in a Mayfield. Yeah, man. So right now, my people, we are going on an adventure. Right now, we are going tour one Treehouse in Mayfield, Manchester. My people, it is first I'm seeing this thing. It's first I'm going to explore, what's going on in a treehouse. And guys, just journey with me, man. Journey with me. And we see what man. Big up on yourself. So yes, my people, I don't know say that my boss there, say my eyes are yours. You know one place I'm calling you Mayfield. This one man want a tree house. I really want to see what I go on. So guess what? I view the area, I view the tree house, and I tell them what to think about this. Yeah, this is very amazing. Yeah man, so stick and stay. I'll take the journey right away now, alright? So yes, my people with there I walk, I go down at the tree house, you know. Yeah man. Wow, my people, this is going to be so amazing. Yeah man. Guys, I don't really want to talk too loud, but guess what? This is my first experience. Alright, first experience. And trust me, I feel so amazed. Yeah man, I've seen it before on TV, on YouTube. And decided say, oh, I'll come and give it a tour. Alright, my people. So, catch up on the journey, Our journey with we. Yeah, because we are come down. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. So alright my people, we're actually near the place now. Or near the tree house now. Look here. You see the devastating scene where Melissa caused to this part of Mayfield. Yeah man, you see what I go on. And guys, I'm going to show you how good God is. Yeah, I'm going to show you how good God is. God spared this man tree house. God spared this man tree house. Let him have a roof over him head just the same. Just like each and every one of us who really want to have a roof over our head. Alright people. So, yo! Actually reach now, Yeah man, right so. Actually reach now, my people. So guess what? I'm going to show you now what I go on at the place. So no stick and stay. Just reach. Tell your people. People, see the man himself here. See how long we are wait for him? That is it. Big boss. Bless up yourself, sir. Much respect, my boss. That is people, it. And this is the man at the moment. Right? See him there? Mr. Roll himself. Yeah, man. Respect, people, boy, you see how long we have to wait to see this man. And boy, we're sorry we have to come after the hurricane, but guess what? Duty calls and a time when we can get for reach. I say things. Much respect, man. I say things. See me? Yeah, man, in forward, man, in forward. So guys, we're the right type place here now. So we are going to jump in one video and make you see what I go on, brother. Because yo, place decent. Yeah, man, as I've seen before. So, yeah, man. Anyway, you can go and go do it. Yes, man. We just remember some have a rooster lock up, I go feed him. Okay. Alright. So yeah, see it, my people. Yeah, man. Man have some nice fishing in pan here. Yes, man. So yeah, big fish in the pan, my boss. Yeah? Big fish in there. Big fish? Yeah. What you say? People see it. The man put on. People see the man put out all him tent there. The man put out all him tent. Yeah, man. The man camp when him ready with people. Yeah, man. It's a good look, man. It's a good look. can keep it moving. Yes, alright, so cool. Right, my people. This is it, man. This is it. This is it. This is it, my people. Yeah, man. This is the video I've been long waiting for. Yeah, man. People, the man have everything on the land. Trust me, everything. Guys, see it there? Yeah, man. This is the Treehouse. Morning, morning. How you doing? See it, my people? Yeah, man. It's a good look, guys. It's a good look. The people, trust me, Jamaicans are very creative. When we tell you we're creative bad. Yeah, man, I love what I see so far, guys, but guess what? I'm going on a tour, you know, but trust me, people, it's a joy to see this, man. Very, very, very amazing, you know. It looks just like a normal house, and it is a normal house, but only thing, it is above the ground, it is in a tree. All right, my people, so, and then we can give you a tour. All right, see it, every people. Come on for a while. I chuck it for a while. A big chuck, man. Yeah, man. The crankshaft seal. There you go. There you go. Yeah, so when it start operate, it will work like so. Yeah. It's like the same kind of mood. Pump water. Yeah, man. Well, to keep the motor going and keep the water running. Charge my people. This is that generator right here. Yeah, man. Nice one. Half a, not even half of this small pool here, so. Yeah, man. And drop in here, so the next thing you know, you just take over the whole place to reggae. Yeah, man, because lily are something where ever growing once you have water. You know? There you go, there you go, there you go. Once you have water. And then, so for this reason now, them fish are basically a vegetarian. They have a lot of people, so boy, they don't like tilapia because of how them taste and stuff like that. Yeah, yeah. They taste different. Okay. Because they may not get no whole heap of bag feeding and them kind of hormone kind of vibes and them kind of thing then. You know, to kind of keep the thing kind of clean level. So them have them fresh water. The plant helps to purify the water as they can go into the natural source and see it to purify the water, and it also feed the fish them because them come and eat off of the rooting system. Plus the algae will grow along the pool side, them feed off of that also. You know, them have shelter, so usually before they, what them call it, lily grow up at night, they used to have puss. Okay. Come scrape them out at night. Because, you know, fish don't see at night just like fall. Yeah. Yeah. First, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Fish don't see well at night. So that's why a lot of persons, them normally go and do, fishermen normally go and do night fishing. Yeah. Yeah, man, because the fish, they don't see so well. Them vision kind of blurry, you know. So them go in and can have better, easier access to the fish, them, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So that go on. So the strategy they push them use now, them come in and. But I notice, to see you have 3 panel up there, so yeah. Yeah, man. So this solar panel is responsible for charging that battery right there, so in order to charge the pump, circulate the water back and forth, take it from down there, so and bring it up. And, you know, circulate and go on, you know, filter and stuff like that. Okay. You know, I'm still trying to do some filtering and some activation for the water to make sure the water will active, you know. Yes, okay. So the battery now. Nice, man. They use that word the nice love. No, man, the place nice, lovely, man. Lovely, lovely. Lovely, man. And we see quite a variety of fruit trees. Yeah, man. Alright, so fruit is a thing where we decide, boy, I'm going to invest in that. Fruits. Fruit is very important. Yeah. Because to the day, a lot of the youth them today don't have a clue what fruit tree looks like. Yeah, man, them beans, see something and eat it. As a matter of fact, then they want to eat tablet. Give them the tablet and the food. Okay, I see you have a tree up there, so we call mulberry. Mulberry, yeah, man. Enough people don't know that, you know? I see man. Enough people don't know about it. You see me, I show you? The fence line. You know, so instead of having a fence where you have a paper, use the plant, them, man. Use the plant. So yes. You can't eat off a wall. Yeah. And you can't eat off a barbed wire. Yeah.
but you can eat off your plants them.
Makes sense.
Yeah, man.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah, man.
Makes
And you
sense.
want to paint them, you just cut them down and then green up back.
Same way. Nature. Nature. Nature.
Yeah, man.
Nature.
And
Nature. Yeah, man.
maintain the natural color. You see?
Yes.
And
Yes.
that's how I go on, man. So, yeah, man. Anyway, and the project this for the people them always are talking about, you know.
Yes.
So, inside of this project here right now, we have a guest. Yeah, man. She's Miss Michaela. She's not a Jamaican.
Okay.
But she's here. And she accepted to welcome you guys.
Okay.
In,
Okay.
you know, so yes, indeed.
Yes.
She's
Yes.
also a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah, man, yeah, man,
Okay.
yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so
That is it, man. That is it. That is it. That is it.
What it is. So
Yes.
when you go
Well,
inside, you
and
can
it
meet her
and it good for meet up
there you go.
with each other too, you know.
There you go.
Yeah,
Miss
man.
Mackay. All right.
And question again,
Yeah, man.
what kind of mango cheese is this? Is a green scale?
It is what it is. Yeah.
Love it, man. I love it.
Yeah.
All right, my people. There goes another YouTuber. What's your channel name?
Michaela Kimberly.
Michaela
Kimberly.
Kimberly. All right.
Yes.
All right, guys. So
You
want to
guys
hear that?
coming in?
Yes, we are coming up.
All right.
Yeah, man.
So it is what it is. All right. Well, like how someone up there to receive you already, I guess you guys can go on.
All right. So we have to take off the shoes right there, right?
Yeah, man.
All
Yeah,
right.
so you
All
can
right.
go on.
All right.
Respect.
Yeah, man. So we are.
Man.
So we are gonna make a chat go up, you know.
Go on first.
All right, my people. So I take a little time going up.
Nothing to plug out.
Yeah, man. It good, man. It good.
No, I mean, okay. The battery back up.
Yeah, my power bank. All right, my people.
Well, we kind of shake a little bit, but I don't know too dangerous. We kind of balance up. Yeah, man.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, guys, and there she goes. Yes, she is one of our co-workers. She's a YouTuber. You can shout out your channel name,
Michaela Kimberly.
Michaela Kimberly. So,
Yes.
guys, you can go over there and you can give her a strength. All right. Let her know that my eyes are here sent you.
Yes, I appreciate that. Very
All
much.
right. So yes, we are here touring the Treehouse. Yeah, man. So we just walk around and look what's going on here.
This is the kitchen area.
Yes. Oh.
I love the colors too.
Thank you.
Yes.
Guys, you don't know what this? Tell me what this in the comment section. What this look like too, no?
Let's see me now.
Goat skin, man.
Same never know either. So one of the balcony on that side, yeah.
Okay. All right, the people. Yes, man. Hi, people. Up here, nice. People. The up people. Look here. Look here. People with the up in the top of the tree. And guess what? Another floor is up there. Another floor is up there, my people. See that? Yeah, man. Another floor is up there. Guys, trust me. This is so amazing. This is so beautiful. So, Mr. Roll.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Me noticed that you have a YouTube channel as well, because
man,
me
yeah,
subscribe to it, you know.
Yeah?
Yes, me
Respect,
subscribe
man.
to it, man.
That is it. Respect,
Subscribe
man.
to it. So,
Respect,
people,
man.
this is the man of the moment. So, I want to ask you some question now, my boss.
Talk to me. You want to do it? Don't answer. You want to do it up there, sir?
Well, make we go further.
Come on, go
Make we go
further.
further. All right, the people. All right, so people, trust me.
Just go and take in the beauty.
Trust me. Up here, so beautiful, man.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful. And guys, it is well built. Trust me. All right, walking in here, I don't hear nothing creak all now.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
And I feel so comfortable, me I tell you.
Yeah, man, comfortable, man.
Yes, man.
When it we get dry up, when I clip it,
Yes.
so it spring again. See, like see these?
Yes.
Yeah, man. These change already. Yeah, man.
Okay, so
yeah,
it's
man,
a yeah, so it change now and then,
yeah,
and then
man.
it get different,
and then,
different.
And then I can also tell the health of the tree
Yes.
by looking at this.
So, question: how old is this tree?
This tree is way over 300 years old. Yeah, man. So this girl here is no pup, I mean,
Yeah,
she has
old people would say dog of your age is no pup.
a dog of this age
Is
is
no
no
pup.
pup.
Yeah, yeah,
man. So
yeah.
this girl has gone through all kind of trials and tribulations. So you see all when the man
Jano.
talk about say boy 51 storm coming
Yeah,
to Jamaica.
yeah.
So me I say yo 51 storm, then and Gilbert and all that something. Then this girl can handle it, man. Anything at all.
I see Melissa come and pass you by the same way.
Listen to me, man. Melissa have to walk.
Oh, God.
Yeah, Melissa get some sticky.
Yes, yes, yes.
Some mango stick.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Lace her properly,
Yeah,
man.
with some mango
Lace her
stick.
properly, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So I don't go on for what
So,
I go. Anyway,
yes.
so bedroom up there. So some people wonder which one bedroom there.
All right, guys.
So one of the bedroom there right there. So
This is a bedroom.
yeah, man.
What can I want to use with a mirror? Where's the stick then?
Yes, guys. So
Lock.
flat screen upon the wall. Yeah, man.
This is pimento, yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, can't
Yeah,
see.
man, that's a pimento, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
I
Yes,
just
man.
do it rough, just pull it a certain way and just make it stay the same way.
Yes.
So we're going up here now.
Yeah, man, you can go on up.
All right.
Go on a vibe. See you way.
Yeah, man. So this is one of the room right here.
That is it.
And you see the weather up here, my people. The piece of AC different, but it's natural coolness.
Anyway, so watch this.
Yeah,
Me have
man.
a ceiling piece of the roof that will blow it where
Yeah.
Melissa blow it. But no watch no face. I say you go.
No, guess what?
You see what's that?
Melissa can't mash it down, you know.
No. Right, one.
Tell you.
So, guys, everything up here is all natural.
Alright, so
Guys,
okay, so now,
Check out the view, my people. Watch there. You look on all the way back down in St. Elizabeth. Yes, man.
I tell you, it's nice, man.
yeah, me I do some
Lovely,
construction up there,
lovely,
so still.
lovely.
Some reconstruction I go on, so that's why I have them stuff I throw down here, so. But it's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You see, I got higher heights.
Go on, I see what.
How more, how
We're
more.
not going to hide on that.
You're not
We're
gonna
not going to
hide
hide on that. We're not going to hide on that.
See, next time I come,
No,
make sure
we're not
enough,
going to hide
make
on that.
sure enough.
You know? We'll balance it right there, so now. So,
Just- if I come down the street,
yeah.
we this time I see from bird's eye, I see somebody up on this.
Well, guess what?
Yeah.
Guess what? You see, up at the new section, there, sir, up here, so it's called Sky View.
Sky view.
Yeah, man. I hate that one. I think it's up at Sky View.
Sky view.
Yeah, man. That is it. So,
Guys.
go on, go see.
Guys.
Yeah, man.
Guys.
Yes, man. Tell you, man.
Guys.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Mm.
people, I know nothing now about this.
Yeah, man. So watch this now. So watch your flexing now. So this used to, on diamond shape.
Up here, sir?
Yeah, man. This used to be just a diamond right there, so. And then, but what happened is that these were tied to the other rails that were here.
Okay.
And so when Melissa tried, if it pull the tree, it pulled the railing with it. So what I did otherwise is just separate this and do it different. Extended this part where you stand up this. So which
Yes.
stand up this
Yeah,
is
right
brand new.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
Freshly
extend
built.
this up. And then I say, boy, Jano Star, so I still now get the view over this. So that is where you have Sky View was
Sky
created.
view.
All right, my
Yeah,
people.
man.
So you see it?
Yeah,
All right, guys, and guess what, again? This catch me eye again too, you know. See it? Him have more solar panels up here. All right, because if guys fully solar him there, you know, him no then no nothing with JPS, you know.
that is it.
Him no want nothing to do with JPS. Him fully,
Not even the teeth part time, you know.
fully solar.
As a matter of fact, but the community is without electricity right now.
Yeah, because
See me have one bunch of stuff up
a charge down there. Yeah, we
But
see it on the step.
For me,
Neighbors
the neighbor
them.
them and
Yes,
stuff
man.
like that. Right, man. So that's
Nice.
a good. Yeah, man.
It's set, you know.
That is it.
Yes, man.
You know, you can go test out Sky View. Man.
Oh my word.
You hear what him say? Him say OP word.
Yes, man.
Sky view.
Yeah, man, that's Sky View.
You
That
can
man.
feel the welcome here and
So
you
you
can
keep
feel it. Yes,
This one,
man, you
this
can
one.
feel it, man.
Yeah, man. And they have play space. Yeah, man. Up in the top. What? Just a second. You know what says that tree here?
Don't worry about you. That's what I see right now. You can tell us how I achieve it, but you
Hey.
see feelings.
Guys, you see it? Up in a tree top with it. People.
I remember we start
People.
resting at
Up
this
in that
when
tree
rain
top
a
with it.
fall. You know, it's like
It's gonna give
pull
us
to
a
myself
story.
and say, "John, you don't say I'm an idiot, boy. You don't say I'm a tree there."
Yeah.
I'm laugh to myself and say,
Yeah.
"Boy, you don't say I'm mad though." But anyway, I love the madness there, you know. Even as a matter of fact, people in our community, when we start this project, they used to say me mad.
People will always say that.
Yeah, man, but here we are going. Between me and you and everybody who are watching now. Wouldn't mind mad like that 10 more times.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Some man, they feel
Yeah,
good.
man. Yeah, man.
Vision, when you have people that feel like say that happened to you, but you see
Yeah,
your
man.
vision and see come out to reality.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See that?
Yeah, man.
Jano. Yeah, man.
Trust
That's
me.
a go on, man. None like other. Nothing like
And
other.
people.
Yeah,
So
man.
Fire Read, what you have to say?
You know, so me feel welcome like me there home.
Yes.
Yeah, man, me feel welcome at the place, so, man.
Wow, me I tell you, yo, me I tell you.
Mayfield.
Mayfield,
Mayfield in Manchester.
na Manchester.
And Manchester,
Yeah, man.
Mayfield, Manchester, that Jamaica, because some people still are going to which part that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
All
man.
right.
So it's Mayfield, Manchester in Jamaica.
in Jamaica.
Yeah,
People,
man.
we are look all around, all around, all around.
So, I don't guess where Melissa come from, you know.
Eh?
I don't guess where Melissa walk from, you know.
Don't so.
From St. Elizabeth.
From Saint and come right up to you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I don't guess where she walk from, sir. I'll come up for the
Me
ends
I
there.
look over one place to some water.
Black River.
The water is our wheel.
Oh, alright. So down there, so I don't in a Breeze River.
Ah, I see it.
Yeah, man. But as you can see, the ocean view out on the line.
Oh,
there,
open in
so-
court.
Yeah, Black
And
River.
The ocean that you look on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's a Black River.
Woo, yeah, true.
Further on. Yeah, man.
Achoo, me see it for you.
Oh, you just see the
Me
ocean.
just a
like-
see it, me just a see it, me just a see it, me just a see
It's
it.
a part, you know. It's a part come like a one to clear out space.
Alright, out this in a out a border section. I mean going out to White House.
White House.
region, them- Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Don't
Guys,
try
see
them
there, you know.
swims and all them kind of something.
Yeah.
Nickel quarters and them places.
Yeah, yeah.
Why people, trust me, it's a joy to be here today, guys, to show you what is happening here in Mayfield. People, oh God, man, may I tell you, words can't express, man, how this place look. And we feel welcome, we feel at home, guys. Trust me. This is my first experiencing a tree house. And guys, me always see it on TV, always see it in a movies, but trust me. And cartoon. And I've never seen anything like this. Guys, in a real life, man, trust me. You can come down and tour the place. Make sure you give the man a call. Make a put up his number on the screen. So you can come through, talk to him, and let him know, you know, my eyes are here sending over here, guys, and all of them something. The people down here, lovely, man. Lovely. Lovely, man.
Really going on a treehouse situation. Stupid, foolish,
Yeah.
or ignorant.
Yes.
That's the original meaning for the word nice. Yeah, man. So me dash out that out of my vocabulary a long time. Watch me see that slider go over there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nah,
gone,
no, if you do it.
gone. Gone.
Nah, stop it.
You know, inside the man, they lit the 600 just a god.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Chris
man,
Gale
but-
style.
You know the man they never try to dive off like, and they can't get it just God. No nice road here. Except me I use that the right way.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah, man, that's a go on, man. See how we
Yeah,
see.
man.
Empress over there.
Yeah, man.
You hear me, people?
It's social healthy.
He's saying that this mango tree, you know, stop bear none at all.
Yeah, man.
And the mangoes are still big and juicy.
Yes, man.
Just
A
the same.
juicier.
Juicier.
As a matter of fact,
Juicier.
I want to tell you something, you know. To be honest with you, when we just start that project here, I reached probably about halfway night. I mean, the tree looked like some boy she gonna give up, like she now nothing more.
Yeah.
And then yesterday, when we move in, I mean, she just get flourishing and
Yes. Cause she want a man inside of
Listen
her
to
to
me, man. Listen
grow.
to me, man. Listen to
To
me.
grow. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
that's
Yes.
how I'm real, man. So,
Yeah, man.
She just change her. and
Yes,
just get
man.
Fluffy.
Yeah, cause she
man.
find the right growth you know.
Me a talk about
Yes,
that, me a talk
yes.
about. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. She has,
And
she
guys,
has-
trust me, it's a good look for the community of Mayfield
yes.
and also Manchester because I have never heard
And
of
also
any
Jamaica.
other tree house. Yes.
Also Jamaica.
And
There's
also
none like
Jamaica.
And the
Also
world.
Jamaica and the world.
that. There's none like that.
Yo, people, look, me know enough of you go come now. And come, and you go come book right up here. Yes, man. As me say, me go put up him number on the screen. You can give him a call.
Oh,
Talk to him.
and there's
You
a-
can
yeah,
reason with him.
link to.
Yes,
And drop
and
the-
him also have a YouTube channel. Me go drop the link in the description so you can go over there. Give him a strength. Let him know that my eyes are here sent to over his channel. Yeah, man. So guys, as Mr. see the
Yeah,
Empress there, you know. Empress there.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
So this is
Yeah, man.
my,
She hails
this is my
from
engineer here.
she hails from
She's
Grenada.
engineer.
Yeah, man. I share my engineer, man.
Okay.
We know the tech
Yes.
engineer.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Social media manager.
Okay,
Yeah,
social
yeah,
media.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Them kind of thing there.
Yes, man. That is
Yeah,
great,
man.
man. That is great. That is great.
Yeah, man.
That is
So,
great, man.
That I go ahead for what I go ahead.
Go ahead.
So one of the reasons why I had to put on Skyview is because, this one was hiding behind the tree just the same. And the panel, them hide the view.
Yes.
So, you have to know what going on over there. So, not true.
Mhm.
Yeah, you know if you have people to the bush.
No, no.
Yeah, man, we just put on the Skyview and make sure go on with our vibes,
Yes,
Alright,
man.
Serious. So Skyview, that.
So
Balance up there.
how you managed during the hurricane? Were you afraid? Were you here exactly when the hurricane?
I was inside in my bed,
Oh,
rocking like crazy.
wow.
And it wasn't anything too fancy.
Yes.
It's not a journey for the week of heart.
Yes.
But, I hold on for the most time, I make him go and do him thing,
Yes.
Yeah, because I started out with a mission, you have to test your most time. I started out with a mission until they say, here we are going. And yes, I wear it now. You can't make people laugh after me because me pursue your vision and inspiration.
Mhm.
You see it? So I put all of that on my table and put him say, boy, I see that you give me it,
Mhm.
So it's all up to you.
Yes.
So him tell me, say, if you move.
All
And
right.
stay.
Yes,
See
man.
there I see your way. Yeah, man. And
You
that
mean,
I go
man,
on
it's
for
a
what I
it's
go
a
on.
good
You
it's
have
a
to
good
stay
look,
firm.
bro. Yeah, man. You have to stay firm, man. You
Yeah,
have to,
man. Yeah, man.
have to, rooted and grounded in a Jesus,
Yeah,
you know.
man. In Yeshua.
Yes, well, yeah. Everybody call him a different name, but
Alright,
you know,
I choose
you know
still.
where I talk still.
I choose it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. And that
Because
I
trust
go
me,
on for
without
what I
him,
go
you know,
on, man. Yeah, man,
without
we
him,
not
trust
gonna
me. And how I have seen it, if this hurricane were hit Jamaica, did come a night, whole heap of people would have passed.
listen to me now, man. Yesterday, day before yesterday, me I go and come from Mobile.
Mm-hmm.
And let me tell you something, man. How long ago since the hurricane passed?
2 months going to 3 months
Let
now.
me tell you something. When me see the people in place, the hurricane look like it just dropped yesterday.
Hear there? Yeah, because some people don't have if
Me say,
get up from with them there,
I
you know?
mean, you have some people who still can't even lift their hand for scratching their head.
Oh, God. The wicked, the wicked, the wicked.
Yeah, man, I
The
serious
wicked,
thing,
bro,
man.
the
So me
wicked,
say,
the
oh,
wicked,
Jano,
the
me say the
wicked.
hurricane look like a yesterday drop. To all the people in place stay just the same. I mean, the people in zinc they right this and they can't live in front of this and put it back on the house up this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, the ugly man.
So how long have you been thinking about this plan to
I mean, well,
let it come to reality?
Yep, that the treehouse
The
itself.
tree house itself.
All right, so this vision come up in 2018. Yeah, man. So it started in 2018, but me run left here a couple times.
Yes.
But then 2020 now, when them said what them call this something pandemic
Yeah.
hit. I say, oh, John, sorry, people are lock down people like that and all them kind of crosses foolishness there.
Yes.
And I say, all right, here I go. Me go and create a zone for myself where me can just at liberty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, at peace.
Yes.
There's nothing outside of me going lacking. Food there, comfort there, and you just lock down in the bush.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. You just make yourself comfortable in the bush and just go and live your life.
Yes.
Because what outside most of the time is just an illusion. Make you feel like, say, boy, this is the life. But that's how you really go.
Yeah.
Once you have peace within, you have everything, man.
Yes, man.
Comfort yourself, you can feed yourself,
Yeah.
you have everything.
Everything.
Yeah, man, you're lacking of nothing. As a matter of fact, you have the most high, you have peace, you have everything. You're lacking of nothing at all. So we see going out there where people are kill themselves over fancy this and fancy that, and they say that is no form of living at all.
Yes, yes.
Because when you go so up and gather up all, what the end of it at the day? What the benefit at the end of the day? The joy of living past you gone in a stress. So it don't make no sense. And then it's like, for instance, remember great kings that were here before that owned all sort of something.
Mm-hmm.
And what happened to what they had? How much I didn't care with them? I'm sure, 100% sure that when them dead with a whole stockpile of gold and money. All them pirate they found what they call it, Fort Royal.
Yeah,
Because
man.
shot out of Fort Royal.
Yeah, yeah.
What happened to all of that? When them get out there.
Everything sync with them.
Everything.
Everything.
It's not even last as somebody else can find it. You know? Yeah man. So that's a go on. We have to just balance up and just
Yeah,
know,
man,
say,
yeah,
go
man.
on. You know,
Yeah,
you
man.
live the life, you know, make yourself creative. Not even make yourself creative. You're already born with certain kind of creativity. So just bring it to life in whatever way. You know. Leave out of the fact of that this illusion that is happening, you know, that is what life is. That's not what life is about. Life is about living your true gift, living your talent, you know, connecting to your source of life, which is the Most High Himself, and make Him live through you. As the word says, seek ye first the kingdom of Yah, you know,
Yeah.
and all things shall be added to you, you know, because He know that you need of these things, but how you approach it,
So
that's how I think, you know.
so another question now. When building this dream house or this paradise, yes,
Yeah, that's
this
all
paradise.
Like it. Yeah, man.
While building this paradise, did you get any form of help or you
No, man.
alone?
No,
You
man.
alone
The only help from me get is from within.
within?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You know, mental support and
Yes.
and physical strength. You see?
Yes, because once you
Yeah,
have a
man.
plan set out for doing,
Yeah, man. It's
you
simple,
gotta do
man.
it. You know.
And let me tell you something. You see all the way you see, I'm gonna do it all over again.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, me respect that. Me respect that. Me
Yeah,
respect that.
man.
Me respect that.
So a question again, me know me see other trees around you, you know. So you sure you know want start something now next one?
Alright, so watch this now. You see, them other trees they on different property.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Okay,
man.
okay.
Yeah,
okay.
man. So this tree I know they on that which is considered for mine for now.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
But them
yes.
they are different people thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Different
Yeah,
name
man.
they on them game there. Yeah,
Alright,
man. So
alright.
that I go on. However, there are others that are on my location that yes, I am thinking of doing something. It's probably not as big as this one
Yeah.
because those trees are smaller.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, man. But it will be lovely just to see.
So are
Yeah,
you available for booking at any given time?
Call me and let me know what I go on. You just give me a shout.
So
and then
people,
we can arrange
as me
myself
say,
and,
me go put
you
up him number in the description, so you can link him, and me put up him channel name as well, so you can follow him channel, and you can see what go on a day-to-day basis. You know what is going on in this tree house
That
or
is
this
it.
paradise
That is
to
it.
say here in
That is it.
Mayfield.
That is it.
Yeah,
is it.
man.
Yeah,
So,
man.
my boss, me respect what you do, and it's a good look for the community, for Jamaica, and for Manchester.
It's all good,
And
man.
trust
Man,
me,
respect,
I never regret coming here, none at all.
That is it.
I respect this store and I love this store. So people who can come get a tour of the tree house. But me, as me say, me I go leave him number and
That is
him channel in the description, so you can call him anytime
Yeah, man.
and
Stay
come and
tuned.
check it out. Alright?
Yeah, man. Stay-
People, you know look here. Me don't know the name of the plant here. But trust me guys. Trust me. Mr. Roll just show me this. And it's sweet like a sugar. Look here.
Yeah, man.
See it there? Me go take one of the
man.
leaf. See it there? Take one of the leaf. Me go put it in my mouth now. See it there? Me I make sure show you, you know. See it there, people. See it there? And it's sweet. Yeah, man. Sweet,
man.
bud.
Decent, man.
Nice, my people. Trust me. See it there, my people. Normal.
Yeah, man. A decent card. Yeah, man.
So if you don't know what this name in the comment section, let me know.
That is it. That is it. As a matter of fact, that whole long nest which part the fever grass plant road,
Yes.
that is actually the first project that me start on this property here. So my intention was to make this place a farmland, straight farm. But then after me dig out the hole to a certain depth, the leather that me used to put down in the hole if you climb out, we can lean it on this tree here. Carry it and lean it right on that tree here. And let me tell you something, man. The whole plan changed. Everything just changed. It's like, for instance, you remember when Moses did see the burning fire and the bush had burned and no and it now consume. Smoke and fire come up, but no consumption now go on the bush solid same way.
Yeah.
It's like when me put the leather fires and I climb up night there, it's like a different world open up and me look at me and say, yo, Jano, everything just come to me clear.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, I hear say it there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm just going to go up and start calculate the material same time and start put them up. Yeah, man. You know, I start go out and carry them in and start put them up. And that was it. I mean, you see the whole long this with bush grow on it?
Yeah.
The pool come way after, years after. So the whole the same way.
Mm-hmm.
I dig out and put it down there so, and pack it and cast it. It cover and ready for the bathroom to go up on top of it. I need an outside bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So the whole the same way. So it's like, this whole to me is like a portal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
where
man.
information, knowledge,
Yes,
wisdom,
everything get out.
just
Everything
it
get
just
out.
come out.
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
you know
yeah,
what I say?
yeah.
So, I'm kind of scared to cover it up because it make things happen. Yeah, man. It brings forth new life, new energy, new everything.
So you're saying each time you go there for cover it up, something new come up.
I know that. Each time we finish our next task, before we even move to that, a different thing arise, which is even more spectacular.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah, man.
And that I go on. Yeah, because watch it. Look on the pool. You know how much energy it takes to build a pool?
Yeah.
And look on that. It's a small hole that
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But notice it's a small.
in comparison to the pool. You know, and see, it's not like it should look like some boy we don't have the time or we can't afford to build a little hole there.
Yeah.
But look at the size of the pool.
Yeah, man.
The house was completed after that hole also.
Oh.
You know,
So
it's really
so the hole is older than everything over here,
older
basically.
than everything around here.
All right, sir.
Yeah, so, right, the old is old. They can't get older than old.
Can't get older and older. Me notice I had two drum up in our tree.
Alright, so yeah, man. Alright, so here them two me go now. On top of which part the solar panel there,
Yes.
that is the water catchment. So you catch the water from the top there, so send it in at the blue drum.
Okay.
Then that blue drum full up, overflow another hose there with the black and
Yeah,
the white.
come down.
Come down into this black drum right here, so. Then we pump back the water now up into the green drum, and that serves as an air tank to supply the house.
Supply the house.
Yeah, man. So it
Okay.
run through this, so run another filter there and supply the house.
A question.
Yes, man.
See back there, as you invent a buckle there,
Yeah.
you get the right amount of pressure. When you put the buckle on it, how much
Alright.
pressure?
No, so that buckle is actually there as a funnel.
Funnel.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The buckle is actually working as a funnel. However, there's a piece of pipe that helps to pressurize the water if it come down.
Oh.
You see that pipe that go up there so with a cap on it? Yeah, man. But you don't want two of them. So it helps pressurize the water. So when the water come down, it forces it down so that, you know, you can...
Yeah, gravity feed more,
yeah,
you
man.
know?
Yeah,
At
man.
the pressure.
Yeah, man, and it actually works. Yeah, man. We water down the slide, but it gets some air to compress to send out the water. Yeah, man. So it is what it is. That's a
Man,
good,
it's a good look, my brother. It's a good look.
Man, respect, man.
It's a good look,
It
man.
is what it is. You know? Got to do what you do, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So that's right, sir. So I have a lot more to do, you know, in my view. But you know, all the time, there's a time for everything under the sun. Now it stopped raining, so it's time for the sun enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So people, again, see the man of the moment there, you know.
That is it.
Yeah, man. He is a builder. He is a creator. He is a founder of
That is it.
Paradise
Plus
Plus
Treehouse
Treehouse, which is in Manchester, Mayfield.
alone.
Alone. Guys, this is the only treehouse
Alright.
I have heard of in Jamaica.
Alright.
Alright?
But-
So no need to come and check it out, man.
I think me here was some other, but it can't be
No,
anything
we're
like
not
this.
business. We're business with Paradise
Yeah,
Plus.
It can't be anything like it because
Business with Paradise Plus.
yeah, man. Some people say them have built treehouse and a build foundation for it.
Yeah.
That's not treehouse.
No, man. not
You take her
treehouse,
from
man.
the tree, man. Yeah, man. You want a treehouse?
Yeah, man, you defeat the purpose, man, of the
Defeat
tree.
the purpose totally.
So people,
Yeah,
see him there again as me say, me I go put him link and everything in the description so they know how he thinks at the people.
Yeah, man. That is it.
People, look on this door standing.
In
If
the
you no
middle
can
of-
see,
in the
in
middle of
the
the garden.
middle of the garden, nothing is around it. Nothing to hold it up. We say, boy, is a structure behind it. But guys, Mr. Roll himself I go fill in for what is going on here. Because guys, trust me,
Yeah,
this looks so nice. Yeah man, a standing door by itself.
Yeah, man.
Tell me what I go on,
What
Mr.
you
Roll.
know, so this area, entrance here, sir, is a portal.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, a portal. So when you go to book one later on, you come at this part here, so open the door here.
Yeah, go on again.
Once you go into this place here, in that portal, it's non-stop until you reach way down one place down there, sir.
Here there.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, say.
Yeah, man. So it's actually a water slide.
Oh, so this door is the entrance
to the water slide.
to the water slide,
Which is a portal.
which is a portal.
Yeah, man. Take you out in a different place. You're not going to see nothing until you reach where you go.
Oh,
You just a slide that going.
it's a mystery.
Yeah, man.
Could be a history,
Nah.
but it's a mystery.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right.
So you come here, you open the door.
Yes.
And jump in.
So people, you hear that? There's a mystery behind this door.
Yeah, man.
A mystery behind this door that awaits you, people.
That is it.
People, there's a
tuned.
mystery behind this door that awaits you. So stay tuned for that one
man,
there,
you have
because
to
guess
stay
what?
tuned for that one
Anytime I come back here, me and Uno go through that door there. See it there? Me and Uno go through that door there, people.
Yeah,
So no don't know anything. Go big up on yourself. Much love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So without further ado, I'm going to end the video here now. So always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and big up on yourself wherever now watch from. Much love.
That is it.